Good morning! I have my Nemo ears on. Thanks, Lindsay. Love you, girl. It's day 4. Are you excited?
So excited.
These are outfits for the day. Fanny, backpack, first visit. We're so excited. We're going to Animal Kingdom, and I think Casey's the most excited for this one. It's pouring, and we forgot our ponchos in the room. Whoopsie. But we just got to Magic Kingdom, and now we're taking the monorail from Magic Kingdom to the Contemporary Resort because we have reservations for breakfast. We're gonna eat breakfast with Mickey Mouse. So excited. So yeah, we're gonna take the monorail for the first time. Pretty pup. Okay, I have orange juice, coffee, Minnie Mouse waffles this time instead of Mickey, which is so cute. I'm in love. Potatoes, this egg thing, sausage, biscuits, and gravy. What did you have?
I have 2 types of sausage, cheesy potatoes, regular potatoes, tater tots, bacon, and eggs. And I'm going back.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yes.
Hakuna Matata.
We're the only ones on the bus right now.
Nice ears there.
Thank
Not
you.
sir, I was talking to her. Have a good one, both. Green is good.
The magic band with the fingerprint never gets old. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's so pretty.
It's like we're in Adventureland.
But greener.
Like Guino.
Because it rains here.
Like art? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Alright, let me pull it.
The guy at security saw my pin and he was like, first visit? I don't believe that. And I was like, why? And he was like, well, you already have all the gear. And I was like, oh, I'm from California. I go to Disneyland. I didn't say it like that, but he was like, oh, I get it. And then we had a giggle. It was funny. We're right behind the driveway. We didn't even ask.
We didn't.
When they found the Okapi, many people thought it was related to a zebra. Over here on the left-hand side is a nice good look at one of the black rhinos.
Oh my gosh.
Black rhinos can weigh up to nearly 3,000 pounds. You're a group of hippos. A group of hippos is commonly known as a bloat. A bloat's main job is to protect any baby hippos and their mothers. Also over on the left you'll see several pink-backed pelicans. These pink-backed pelicans usually get their coloration around the mating season. See several Nile crocodiles. These Nile crocodiles can grow up to nearly 15 feet in length and weigh up to 500 pounds. Fascinating fact about Nile crocodiles, both mothers and fathers will carry their eggs in their mouth. That's because they actually know how to work together as a pack and are bring down their prey.
Oh my god.
Because of their pack-like mentality, they have to make sure that the weakest among them is fed first. That way they become stronger in later hunts.
Oh, there's more.
In other countries, the African wild dog is also known as the painted dog. The long curved horns of the sable edge on them. Now these are the world's tallest land mammals. They can grow up to nearly 20 feet in height. Their very long necks, giraffes also have some very long tongues. Their tongues can extend up to 18 inches past their nose. On the right, you'll see a nice good look at one of the African elephants. African elephants can weigh up to nearly 10,000 to 13,000 pounds. Around the age of 13, the male elephant actually breaks away from the main herd to form their own bachelor herds. A cheetah's body is actually built a bit more like a canine body rather than a feline body. In fact, cheetahs don't make too many feline noises. They prefer to emit high-pitched chirps to communicate with their cubs and family members. Lion. Male lions can weigh up to nearly 500 pounds. Female lions usually cap around 300 pounds. A lion can leap up to nearly... They can run at speeds of nearly 45 miles an hour. While they can't fly, they'll still use their wings to help direct themselves whenever they're running. Both Disney and the Lion Restoration Fund have actually joined together.
Oh, that's not good. That was so cool. I want to go again, so we're probably gonna go later.
I want to go.
Maybe like, yeah, like sunset-y type time. Maybe there will be more animals because we saw a lot, but he said that there's more, so
Yeah,
we'll
it was
see.
my favorite.
Yeah, Casey loved it. I loved it too, but it was just really, really, really cool. I like the flamingo part. We saw Simba and Nala, so that was cool. We're in line for Expedition Everest. We got a fast pass. Front row. God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I see Epcot. Oh my God. 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 I'm scared. My gosh. That was 100% my favorite ride in all the parks. I have nothing to say else other than that. I have nothing else to say other than that. It was so fun. We're going again, by the way. We had a fast pass and now we're waiting in line because it's only 40 minutes. It was the best. I literally want to go 800 times. It was
800.
so fun. I'm not going to record this one though because, I don't know, I want to put my hands up.
They said 40 minutes, but it's been like 5 to 10 minutes.
We're going again after this, right? I'm down to go again. got a snack. We're in line for the rapids because it's really hot. It's not sunny at all, but it's like sticky and gross. So we went on the rapids and got absolutely drenched. You can't really tell, but both of the backs of us are like soaked. I could probably wring out my pants, but it was fun. Feels good. Ooh, a fan.
Dragon pup.
Dragon pup. I'm actually kind of scared. Alright, just wait. You were about to square up with a bird. I didn't get any clips of the birds, but they were flying like right there, and everyone was like ducking and screaming. It was hilarious. But a leaf fell out of the tree.
And it hit me, and I squared up with it.
Casey went. I was like, what were you gonna do? Hit a bird?
I didn't know what it was. Reflexes. Ask my freaking
So
friends what I do in scary movies.
Oh my god, it's
Go
so
like
funny.
this. Square up.
Hold on, wait a minute. Hold on. Put your hand out of Everest.
Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're gonna have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're gonna do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay,
Oh, I see myself.
start scan. You've all got them. Stand still over your number, you're not gonna feel a thing. You're doing great. Almost done here.
They're all clear.
Great. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Pandora is a breathtaking natural world. I cannot wait for you guys to see it for yourselves. First, we need to find the compatible match of your genetic material with the genetic material of one of the avatar bodies that we already have. Once we do that, you'll be able to link to that avatar and fly. Yes, got him.
Oh, I got one.
Oh, they got you.
Oh, you got it.
You'll experience the breathtaking beauty of Pandora, but you might also face some of its greatest challenges. Some of this flight might be intense, but trust your guide and be brave.
Snack credit and got mac and cheese with pulled pork. It looks so bomb. And it's a snack credit. Excited? Oh yeah, give me the pickles. Yum. Thank you. Green onions.
Anything green?
Mine. Seeing Nemo with my Nemo ears.
Climb aboard, explorers! Who's this?
I'm Nemo!
He's got a little fin. I find if he gets tired, give him a break. 10, 15 minutes. Don't hurry! We're gonna travel as a group! Nemo, you're such a special kid. What are you doing? You get back here! Oh, you are in big trouble, young man. Do you hear me? Big, big trouble!
Look out! Sorry, sorry.
Help! He's got my son! He's got Nemo! Have you seen a boat?
A boat? I've seen a boat follow me!
Have you?
No, we scared him!
I don't know why we can't just say hello.
I want
back at the pet store.
Pet store?
Yeah, you know, like I'm from Bob's Fish Mart.
Grandma, mail order, eBay.
I know the ocean. Ah!
Hi, Nigel.
Oh my god.
Just keep swimming, life isn't all that grim.
We just saw Finding Nemo the musical. It was so cute. And now we're going on the dinosaur ride. So hopefully it's supposed to be like Indiana Jones. So we'll see how it is. Update. It started absolutely pouring down rain that we're walking in puddles in our shoes. We wore ponchos though, so like our bodies aren't wet and my hair isn't even wet, but like my shoes, I'm in 2 puddles right now. It's great, but we don't really care. We went on the safari ride 3 times because it was like the only thing open for a while because all of the rides here close when it rains apparently. And then Flight of Passage was like 2 hours, so we were like, we already went on it today and it was great, so we're gonna
seeing the animals. It was cute.
Yeah, we liked seeing the animals because every safari is like different. So we saw like a bunch of like different things each time we went on it, which was 3 times or 4 times?
3 times.
3 times.
2 back to back.
Yeah, we just went on it twice. And now we're using our extra fast pass because we got an extra fast pass for Expedition Everest. So we're gonna sit in the front, and this is our 4th time on this ride today. And we're coming back here on Monday. So we're gonna have so much fun. We're going on Everest for our 5th time today because it's a 15-minute wait and it's just so fun. Like, it will never get old. It's just so good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh wow. Let's go.
That is huge. Hold it up to your head. Oh my god. Thank you. You too. Woo! Baby.